Hello guys. Welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. My name is ROFUR'S. I'm the CEO founder of HR Systems. Now, in this video series, I just want to start doing what I call the read with ROFU. Yeah, read with me. Because if you want to be successful in anything, you always have to be reading. Just keep reading. So the reasons I'm doing this video series is because I want to read with you guys. Each time you watch my videos, pick up that book, pick up whatever you're doing, whatever. It can be self-development, it can be technical books, it can be accounting, marketing, digital marketing, photography. So I encourage every one of you to keep reading, just keep reading, okay? And today I'm reading the book, or I have been reading the book. I'm now on chapter 14 out of 19. I've not really been very consistent, but I just want to make it a habit to be consistent. If you enjoyed this video, then drop me a comment, okay? I've been reading this book, The Power of Self-Discipline. It's kind of like a self-discipline book. I know a lot of people have read this book already by Brian Tracy, no excuses. But I just want to encourage anyone watching me right now that this is a very, very good book about setting goals and achieving them. The principles and mindsets that you need to achieve your goals, okay? And today we are having chapter 14, which is self-discipline and problem solving. Very important. If you want to succeed in life, you should be able to solve problems on a daily basis. In fact, the whole of everything you do is about solving a problem. And it is said in this chapter that your success level depends on how much problems or the number of problems that you solve in your life, okay? So I just picked out a few excerpts which I want to read out today, and I'm sure it's going to inspire someone, it's going to encourage someone out there. And if that happens, then drop me a comment to let me know that you are watching and you enjoy what I'm doing, okay? So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back after the break. Hello guys, hello my Business in Africa YouTube community. My name is ROFUR'S, and I have been having a lot of questions from investors like you asking me, which African country should I invest in? I therefore decided to create this. I also decided to create this other tool right here. So you don't need to come and ask me that question again. You just need to go on Amazon Kindle and download this book. Click on the links in the description box below and download. So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are here on the Read with ROFU. My name is ROFUR'S. I'm the CEO founder of HR Systems Limited. Now let's read chapter 14, self-discipline and problem solving. Okay, I'm going to read this excerpt, right? Just pay very keen attention. The inevitable and unavoidable crisis. Throughout your life, you will face a river of problems. Physical, financial, family, business, and political. The only break in this never-ending chain of problems will be the occasional crisis. If you are living a normal life, you will probably experience a crisis every 2 or 3 months. And it is in these crises that you truly demonstrate the quality of your personality and the strength of your character. Remember, it is only when you are in this crisis that you demonstrate the quality of your personality and the strength of your character. By their very nature, crises come unbidden. You have no warning or ability to anticipate them in advance. If you did, it wouldn't be a crisis in the first place, obviously, or you would already be prepared. When the inevitable crisis occur, more than at any other time, self-discipline is required so you can remain calm and clear-headed in order to deal with the crisis effectively. So when crisis occur, all what you need to do is remain calm and cool-headed, okay? Now perform at your best. When something goes wrong, the natural tendency of most people is to become angry and look around for someone to blame. But this is a waste of energy. It solves nothing. Instead, you must discipline yourself to remain calm, objective, and unemotional. So I'm going to end here, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope that short video encourage you to start reading, or if you're reading already, then keep reading, okay? So my name is ROFUR'S. As I said, you are welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share this video, and don't forget to drop me a comment to let me know that you're watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Let's keep reading with ROFU. Hello guys, hello my Business in Africa YouTube family. I hope you all are doing great. I'm here today to bring you the good news, right? I just released 2 ebooks. I don't want to call them books. I prefer calling them tools, because these are investment tools that if you want to invest in Africa, then it's a must-have. Here is the first one. Unique business ideas for every African country. Yes, you heard it right. I went to every African country and brought to you the unique business ideas that are the best profitable business ideas in this country. I took into consideration their geographic location, political stability, their economy, culture, and every other thing was taken into consideration to choose these businesses that are most profitable in each African country. Yes, you don't have to go anywhere to look for business ideas anymore. And of course, the best countries that you can invest in is also answered in this book. So get this book, it's on Amazon Kindle. The second book is this one, The African Business Startup BRAINBOX. Yes, it's the BRAINBOX because it tells you everything you need to know about registering and setting up a company in every African country. Yes, in all the 54 African countries. So you've got the procedures that you need, you've got the estimated cost, and how much time you need to register your company in every African country. So you don't need to search anywhere online, just grab these tools. There are 2 of them, and all of them are on Amazon Kindle. So you can either get it as an ebook or a paperback. That's your choice. And let me tell you something. There is something I'm offering. If you buy these books, I'm going to offer you a free consultation session. Anytime you want, right? My numbers are on the screen. You can just contact me, but make sure you click and purchase my books, okay? I don't want to call them books, I call them tools. Just click right now and add them to your purchase list. Thank you so much for ordering my books, and I'm sure we're going to do business in Africa together. Let's get ready for 2021. See you around. Hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, hit on the like button and also make sure you share. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on notification as well, so that each time we upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. And before you go, make sure you drop us a comment with any suggested topics you want us to cover in our subsequent videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.